Right, people, big video today. Almost 4 years to the date, we are launching the special edition Legacy rope, man. This is going to be a big video. Got an unboxing of this iconic rope. You're going to love it. I think we should get the old Legacy rope and give these guys a little backstory about what we're doing here today.
That sounds good.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, original. All right, guys, it's a big video for me. We do have a new rope, which is really exciting. Every time we have a new rope, as you know, on this channel, my OG subscribers, we share it straight away, and that's what we're doing today. But before we do, right, I want to take you through a quick backstory of the original Legacy rope. Now, if you're new to the channel, you're probably wondering what the hell is going on? Why is there so much hype around skipping ropes? For my OG subscribers out there, you'll know, well, yeah, hopefully you'll know that this particular rope is actually probably the most favorite rope that I've ever created. You might think, nah, man, it's always been the money rope. You always talk about the money rope. It's the rope that you always use on the channel. But the Legacy rope, guys, is really the most it's closest to my heart, okay? Because this was a rope that really led me to believe that this could be a real thing. Hence the name Legacy rope. This is when I started to believe really that I could make a future of this. I could make skipping a real deal. And when I brought this rope out 4 years ago, literally to the day when this launch is gonna happen, May the 11th, yeah, this is exciting because now we've got a special edition. It's all white. We're gonna do the unboxing today. But this rope was the real key to why I continued to progress with Rush Athletics and take it from bedroom brand to what it is today, like a real global outfit, global brand. It's the king of heavy ropes, man. Like, this is the rope that gets you guys stronger, more stamina, sweating buckets, burning calories. And it's the real reason why nowadays heavy ropes, non-mechanized heavy ropes, are super, super popular. So it's a cool rope, man. You're gonna love this new one. All right, guys, we are back at the station, and like I said, man, this is really exciting for me. I really want to just showcase this new rope, this new special edition, what's kind of changed, what's stayed the same, of course, and inform you guys that we are ready to go live at this date down below. I don't actually know it in my head right now, but I'm just gonna say this date down below. Nathan will handle the captions, right? Okay, so special edition Legacy rope. Now, why is it taking so long? Okay, first and foremost, right, this is a different color to the original Legacy rope. The original Legacy rope has always had black handles. All right, I'm gonna get that for you actually right now. Original Legacy rope. So we've had this rope now for 4 years, and everyone's always said to me, yo, can you make different color handles? Can you change it? And I've always just opted with the black, and it's been actually quite difficult to inject different colors into this material. So the Legacy rope, the reason why it's so cool is because when we brought it out, it came with a different composition, completely different to the money rope, a lot more stronger. It's a nylon resin finish. A few years now, I've been thinking up a kind of ghost edition Legacy rope, right? Similar to what we do with the ghost money rope. And we've come up with this. Now, what you'll see with this rope now is, in close details, is that it's not completely fully white. The handles are a little bit of an off-white, and if anything, in different light, it sort of almost changes color, which is really, really nice. The reason for this is the way the color kind of injects. So I actually end up probably testing about 100 handles with pure white. I'll get a picture up somewhere here, okay? We tried and tested all white, and it was hard for the color to hold the handles. That said, we found the perfect kind of blend. So it's like a grey off-white, white. Hence, special edition and not ghost edition. Another thing is the rope, the diameter of the rope, the weight of the rope, the weight of the handles, the composition, the feel is exactly the same as the old Legacy. So it's just special edition, different color, but there's a lot of meaning behind this, all right, guys? There's not a lot to talk about with this rope. It's just more about the history, more about what it's done to the heavy rope game or the heavy rope space in the jump rope kind of industry. For me personally, like, it's been a rope that has inspired other creators or other kind of brands to bring out heavy non-mechanized ropes, something like in between at the 400 gram mark or the 0.9 pounds if you're working in pound metrics. This rope has just always been built to create that strength, that stamina, like I said, to burn loads and loads of calories and still remain very slick with your rope, doing your tricks, doing your combos. And we've got loads of people in the community still doing crazy stuff with this rope, okay? And that's why I always wanted, when it came to skipping, making sure that you're keeping your workouts fun and making sure you look slick whilst you're doing it. The last thing, guys, I want to talk about is this box. Now, yeah, you might think, oh, it's just a white box, but it's a cool box, all right? I'm going to talk about the box. So we've got a really nice image at the back of the rope. You're going to have an autograph by myself, if hopefully that means anything to you. But yeah, we've gone with a different picture to the original. I'll show you the original actually. For anyone who doesn't own the original legacy rope, right? This is me in 2018. How many years ago is that? 4. I'm now 36. This is when I was 32. Probably can't see the fresh skin here on this image, but man looked really young there. And then this is me not too long ago, a little bit older. But this will be now the last bit of packaging that has my face on the front. Okay, so all the other money ropes, or all the other ropes that are coming out will not have an image of me on the front of the box. We're trying to move a little bit more professional, of course. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love this, man. Hopefully you like the visuals, the look of it, and it's all about, like I said, bringing new freshness to the game. So this is a lot of freshness coming out very, very soon, okay? But we've also got another special edition rope coming out. I almost forgot. I need to quickly get that. Okay, all right, guys. Nathan, the great assistant. Fun doesn't stop here, people. We've also got a special edition icon rope as well now. This is a really, really popular rope as well for those of you who enjoy your freestyle. Again, this was another incredible rope that we created a few years ago, 3 years ago now. It was there to strengthen handles. It's a long handle rope, but it's there to make sure that anyone doing releases and things like that, they can get their freestyle game on. Obviously, it's not my game, but same concept as the Legacy, right? We've got a super fresh colorway, the all white or the off-white colorway, and it comes with ton of cool things, right? So this one will come with a spare carry case. It will come with a spare speed cable, the actual rope itself. He likes to keep the setup neat. Fresh box, all white box, or kind of off-white box. Looks really cool. You're gonna see some more images of that soon. But look at a ton of cool things that you get with this, all right? All white grip tape, right? Special icon grip tape, custom with custom icon branding. Extra cable, so it's a speed cable, 4mm, right? Thick, so it's really, really fast. Our usual money rope is 5mm, so that's for anyone who loves doing freestyle with PVC ropes. And then these beautiful handles. I say that it's just a beautiful rope, man. Like the Legacy, what we've done with the color and everything, it looks so nice. So that's what it looks like, guys. Hopefully on camera, it kind of, yeah, it does its justice. Like, it's just, these are just banging, actually banging. And the feel, everything, the texture, ergonomics, and it comes with these really soft, super premium beads, okay? So like adds a little bit of weight, and it's perfect if you guys are doing releases or working out, and it's like a perfect rope for those guys who like to get super creative with their skipping. So guys, I think it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different, a little bit quirky. Let me know if you're down for this launch. It means the world to me, man. You've made the Legacy, you made the icon, you made all of our lines of ropes super iconic and super like popular around the world, and I just love you for it, man. Everything that we do here is because of you, and we wouldn't exist if it wasn't for you. That was a sick line. I'm gonna leave it there. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Remember, check the details down below, get involved with the launch, and sign up to our newsletter. You will get a discount code for sure, and we'll get out to you as soon as possible. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.